Hi everyone, this is Luther Frank. I hope you join me for my upcoming webinar, Tabula Rasa, an immersive opera in 3 circuits.
Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Sego and I'm a lighting designer, director, and programmer for concert touring.
Hi, my name is Tiffany Miranda and I'm a certified audio engineer and the founder of Girls Make Beats.
Hi, I'm Sarah Parker and I am giving a webinar called Lighting Director Skill Set from Clubs to Arenas and Beyond.
Hey guys, my name is Mike Sutherland. I am the front of house sound engineer for Sublime with Rome.
Hey y'all, be sure to come join me, Susan Rose, for my Touring 101, the nuts and bolts of touring.
As audio engineers, our job is to help create that environment with a professional balanced mix free of distractions.
I would basically record everything that the band would rehearse, and then I would come in the next day and I would sit there in front of the desk and I would play the tracks back and I would focus on dialing in my inputs.
The versatility of being able to light him from the front and the other off-axis positions really gave us some good options.
Thanks to JBL, Soundcraft, and Harman for believing in me and allowing me to put this thing together.
Thanks to Harman and Martin Lighting for this opportunity to share with you all today.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much. Please.
Thanks again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me again. I really appreciate that you guys are doing this, and you know we've all kind of been in this holding pattern for so long now that it's cool to kind of keep the learning going.
First of all, thank you very much to Harman for supporting this great series. I think it's really important that we all stay connected and try to use the lemons of the COVID situation to make some lemonade of learning.
Thank you to everyone who's attending. I know how busy downtime can become. And on the other hand, I know that some of you have had your hours reduced or lost your jobs entirely. And we all stand with you in compassionate solidarity and with each other during a time that is full of uncertainty. And for all of you who are taking time off from your Zoom meetings and your kids' distance learning and all of the housework that you've found to do, thank you.